Right, this is Ginger, as he's known, Ginger the Ninja. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, you got a good view of him, right? Anyway, so he is going to come over here. Ginger, come over here. Good boy. Good boy. Come to my hand. Right, good boy. Put your hand on mine. Ginger. Like that. Good boy. Good boy. Right, wait a minute. Just getting him a treat. Good boy, yeah, Ginger. Good. Right, now. Whoa! He stole it off my naughty cat. Smack. Okay, good boy. Right. Now, he's gonna perform the performing arts again. If I can even get the treat, oh, for goodness sake. Sorry about this. Oh, I hate this packet. He's already rattled it. And then, now, see him get into the car. Well, close enough, I guess. Now he's next to the toy box. Okay. So anyway, I'll get another treat for him. Don't worry, he's not going to get overfed. Okay. There he is. What do you want him to do now? Get onto the stove? Go on. Go on, boy. Go on, boy. Get up. Go on, boy. Go on, look. Look, boy. It's a dreamy. Good boy. See, he's really stretchy, aren't you? Hey. Right. This time he loves absolutely... Right, anyway, get Dreamies. They're awesome for cats. They love chicken flavour and that's the flavour I've got now. So, yeah, watch him. Look, I've got a Dreamy here. That's their Dreamies. It actually does make your cat beg. And when you shake the packet, it actually does come to you. It is true. Ginger! Gingivitis! Good boy. I'm giving him a... Yeah, I know. Ginger, look. Dreamy. Yeah, get on there. Ginger. Yeah. He will beg. Won't you, Ginger? Sniff the camera. Sniff the camera. Good boy. Yeah. Ginger. No, Ginger. And now, he will chase his tail. Well, he normally does there, but I know he's a really weird cat. Ginger, chase your tail. 1 minute. Just getting. Watch and learn, cat people. Watch this. Watch his paws. Ginger. Okay, that's not working. We need to get another Dreamy. Good if you could just attach it. Excuse me a minute. I'll just be black for a moment. Right, so again. Gigi, where are you? Baby boy. There he is. Get on. Right. Sit on the chair. Ginger. Sit on the chair. Right, it's close enough, isn't it? Ginger. Yeah, good boy. Look, he's eating. Excuse me, we're going to do a play. I can't remember, read the instructions. Read the play. Right, hello. Now watch Ginger eat. Boy. chair. Ginger. And then he's eating off his plate. Go on. Well done. Keep sitting on the chair. Go on, Ginger. Look. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Great. Yeah. Bye. We'll see you on our next video of Ginger. Good boy. You did well on that one. Bye.